I think maybe some of you don't know how to put the midterm grades in, so I want to make sure you understand that. I'm going to show you as an example in my pre-calculus class. What you do is you open up your classes and click on the class that you want. So I'm in the pre-calculus class now. Go to Gradebook, go to Grade Finals. It's not what it sounds like. The grade finals means the grades on a final exam or a midterm exam for the semester. So you notice it says semester 1 up here. Plop in the grades for their final exams, hit update, and then you can see the semester summary. And it should have quarter 1, quarter 2, and final exam. And the final exam for high school classes is already set at 20%. If you're doing a middle school class, I'll show you a middle school class here, the grade is set at 10%. So it's 10% automatically. If you gave a unit test during the midterm time, then please don't fill in the grade finals box. But if it is truly a midterm, that means it's cumulative from the beginning of the year until now, then go to grade finals and put in the grades in that place, and then you can look at the semester summary and see that everything is up to date there. Okay? Short video.